In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your ID on Coursera with a government ID such as Aadhaar. First, sign into your Coursera account and head to your settings. This is where all your account details live, and it's also where you'll find the ID verification area. Scroll until you see the section labeled ID verification, then select the option that says Verify My ID. This opens the guided upload flow and walks you through exactly what the system needs. When you're ready to upload, use a government-issued photo ID. Common options include a passport or a driver's license. Make sure the document is valid and not expired. The name printed on your ID should match the name on your Coursera account, and your document should meet any age and country eligibility rules that apply to your course or program. If the platform asks for the front and back, be prepared to capture both. Image quality is the most important factor. You'll want to submit clear, well-lit photos of the actual ID, no scans, no photocopies, and no screenshots. Place the document on a flat surface with a plain background, use bright, even lighting, and avoid glare on glossy cards by tilting slightly if needed. Keep all four edges of the ID in frame and make sure the text and photo are crisp and readable. If anything looks blurry, retake the picture before uploading. If you plan to use an Indian Aadhaar, pay special attention to clarity and color. Some physical Aadhaar cards can appear faint or low contrast in photos. Using the official Aadhaar digital app can help you access a clean color version that is easier to capture legibly. The key is that the image you submit must clearly show your name, your photo, and all relevant details so the system can verify them confidently. Follow the on-screen prompts as you upload your images. Take your time and review each photo before you confirm. If the platform flags an issue, it's usually due to blur, glare, cropped edges, or an expired document. Fixing those and re-uploading typically resolves the problem quickly. After you submit, the verification review may take a short while. You can continue exploring courses and check back in settings to see your verification status. Once approved, you'll be able to proceed with activities that require a verified identity. That's it. Go to Settings, open the ID verification section, choose Verify My ID, and upload clear, valid photos of your government ID, ensuring it's current, your name matches, and the images meet clarity standards. With a sharp, readable capture, you'll be verified in no time.